The SPU 2040 from MK North America is an accumulating pallet conveyor that recirculates the pallets on the underside of the conveyor. With a highly robust design and a variety of features, this conveyor is well suited for the use in a wide variety of industries. With its built-in pallet recirculation feature, there's no need for vertical transfer units at either end of the conveyor, nor is it necessary to have a conveyor dedicated to returning empty pallets. This reduces the number of motors needed and makes the system's controls far less complex to develop and maintain. The SPU 2040 has a compact footprint and can be used in place of bulkier designs such as over-under and racetrack-style conveyor system. The SPU 2040 is available in 3 different models. One which can carry a single narrow pallet, another which features a single wide pallet, and a model which allows for 2 parallel pallets to travel at varying intervals. The versatility and functionality of the SPU 2040, combined with a cost-saving design, make the SPU 2040 by MK North America unmatched by other conveyors in the industry. Contact MK North America to learn more.